We've all been there: endless waste, long waits, and frustrating bottlenecks.
Why isn't it breathing yet?
But now, it's time to leave all that behind. Sovol is here to redefine what's possible. The world's first 3D printer with true independent dual extrusion and 1+6 tool head switching. Powered by our proprietary tool-changing system, a single motor delivers fast, precise tool swaps in one seamless move. Move effortlessly between print modes and unleash your creativity. This is efficiency doubled.
You can print an entire pair of shoes in one go?
Of course, absolutely.
Powered by an advanced eddy current scanning leveling system for lightning-fast, ultra-precise calibration. With Sovol's exclusive mirror mode, you can achieve high-speed production while maintaining flawless consistency. It's not just double the output, it's a leap forward in manufacturing efficiency.
I want the brighter color for my toy.
Don't worry, this machine got you covered.
Does it have those too?
Sorry, you're gonna be disappointed.
Sovol also solves one of the biggest challenges in multicolor printing: material waste. Six automatic filament feeders continuously preload material, while independently heated tool heads keep every filament preheated and ready to print. Experience high-speed multicolor printing with up to 500% greater efficiency, turning every color idea into reality without compromise. Ditch waste, unleash imagination, bring vibrant life to all your creations.
Wow!
This is what true zero-waste multicolor printing looks like.
Can it print a multi-material robotic arm for me?
Sure, far more capable than you think.
Whether open frame or fully enclosed, Sovol adapts effortlessly to any workflow. Every engineering-grade material prints at its ideal temperature for exceptional results. High-precision camera-based offset calibration with intelligent monitoring and real-time alerts. Water-soluble supports dissolve cleanly away, leaving no marks behind. That's the Sovol difference. With unmatched efficiency and virtually no wasted resources. And there's one more thing. Sovol is fully embracing open source innovation.